Welcome to this meditation to help you find more ease and flow in your day. You can enjoy this meditation seated or lying down with your eyes closed. Or you can enjoy this meditation with movement. A walk, stretching, whatever feels best. However you choose to receive this time, I want you to get really comfortable doing whatever it is that you need to do to get comfortable now. And then let the breath be in and out through your nose. And whatever led you to receive this meditation today, bringing to mind whatever's been going on, what you've been working on, the task or project you're getting ready to take on. And then let it fade out into the background as you bring your attention to the breath. I want you to silently repeat ease on your in-breath and flow on your out-breath. Ease on the in-breath and flow on the out-breath. And allow the muscles across your face to be smooth. And your shoulders give way. And allowing your exhales to help you release any extra tension as you continue to breathe in ease, breathing out flow. Now I want you to bring your attention to the breath in the body, noticing the way the breath flows in and out through you. Now slow your breath down And as your thoughts come in and around, you can choose to let them drift off and away. As you bring your attention back to breathing in ease, breathing out flow. And now I'm going to say a few words, and I want you to listen to the words and then repeat them back to yourself. I am choosing ease and flow in my day. I let it be easy. I am finding ease in everything I do. I am finding flow. I am choosing ease and flow in my day. I let it be easy. I find ease in everything I do. I easily find flow. I let it be easy. And then coming back to breathing in ease, breathing out flow. Notice if you need to shift or move. What does the body need right now to get even more comfortable? The edges of your eyes are soft. Jaw is relaxed. And drop your shoulders and breathe more deeply and more slowly. Breathing in ease, breathing out flow. Now I want you to bring in that feeling of being ready to begin. And I want you to drop into your heart. I choose. I choose ease and flow in my day. Breathing in, ease. Breathing out, flow. Now just rest here for a moment in this energy of ease and flow, and listening for any guidance from within. Remember what you want to take with you. Enjoy this time and enjoy your day as you move through it with ease and flow.